Hey friends, we are in a very unique condominium complex with single family homes in Windermere. This house is coming in at $520,000 and it is a 4-bedroom, 1,700 square foot, 2.5 bath home. Very interesting, very unique, and it actually backs a lake. So you gotta come check this out because it's crazy. If you might be considering a relocation, my name is Leanna Martens. I'm the best Edmonton real estate agent to trust, and if you are looking to find the best builders that you can trust are going to deliver good quality on time, I got you covered. Click the link below because I've got a guide made just for you. So let's go check this out what you can get for $520,000 with StreetSide Developments. So how unique is that? So what they've done is this is registered as a bare land condominium. So what you see behind me is what would typically be a townhouse development. They've actually put single family homes in here. And by doing that, they're able to put in more homes and end up being at a less cost per square foot for the builder to build and for you to purchase. So it's really interesting, really unique. The one thing that you do compromise on, I would say, is this road. The road feels like a townhouse road because that's exactly what it is. And the size of that backyard. But what you get, like, to be able to wake up and see a pond with ducks is pretty awesome. So you get to determine whether or not it's worth the value for you. But to get a brand new home in this price, in this location, in this community, this is duplex pricing for a single family home. So if you're looking for a little more one-on-one help and a strategy session might be in order, click the link below. You're gonna get a chat with me and we are going to help you figure out what your next steps might be. If you're trying to figure out what's the best builder for me to choose, who can I trust? Is it StreetSide? Is it Beaverbrook? I don't know. Guess what? I totally got you covered there too. Click the link below for Edmonton's top 10 builders to take the guesswork and the uncertainty out to help you make a decision you won't regret. Thank you so much for coming along, and I will see you in the next video, friends. Bye.